Okay,
you guys couldn't pop this up to see, could you?
Carlos. Good, thank you.
Alex is getting the generator going right now. The sledgehammer.
Good. Good, you said.
Is it funnel fit?
Barely. I'll hold the funnel and then pour it, and then just probably if you could just lean it. Very child safe so far. Damn, this is. Push it up and then down. Here. Push this. I know it's hard.
That's a nice work vehicle.
You know, we have a little funnel somewhere.
Right there.
No, like oil went onto
It
it.
has oil in it. Or a little bit of oil residue.
Can we just wipe it?
No. Are you still smoking, Carlos? It's coming out good right there.
Yeah. The longer it goes, the bigger the crack gets.
Yeah, and we're gonna have to buy sand and dirt to repack it before, because it undermined a lot of dirt already.
Yeah.
It's not on. These two clips has to sit right in here with the plastic.
Do you know what that is? Let's make sure we know what that piece is for.
Yeah, I think it's covers the fuel gauge up here. What's wrong with your jackhammer, Wilson? Can you lock it?
Where's the flashlight? I'm blind.
Don't let it lock up on you. Yeah. Okay, good.
Put it down. Did you read how to start it? Just pull it. Okay. dirt doesn't get in here.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, make sure all appliances are disconnected. Turn engine switch to the choke position.
Where's that?
Pull the starter handle slowly until passing compression.
Damn. Hey, you know what? That's what you're using for the football machine.
Yeah.
It's so quiet.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Oh, let's make sure everything's.
Right?
Oh, not yet, not yet. Let's make sure Alex is out. Yeah.
Right?
Oh, you have to. It's been 20 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Go to the.
I did put it on.
Oh, perfect. Yeah.
No power though.
Make sure the output lamp is on.
Output lamp?
Yeah.
Let's get the plug.
We'll test it by plugging in the string light first.
Can you reach?
Yep.
Perfect.
We're good.
It's alive.
Barely.
A little bit of extra.
Make sure that jackhammer's off.
Oh yes.
Stop, stop,
Give me
stop.
1 second.
Yeah, let's just make sure the jackhammer's off.
Yeah, you're good.
The construction, heavy construction bags.
No, we didn't have any.
No?
Yeah.
This is gonna be hard. Hold on. Okay, it's off right now. Did it slow down?
Next time use the vice grip.
There's no room.
Yeah, slow down a little bit.
Okay, so basically the water, go ahead and jack it open. The water is off over here.
It's. Can it go a little bit more?
I just turned it. That's totally locked.
Okay.
You
That's
said
how
it's
they put
totally
a-
locked.
They put a padlock right there. You can't turn the water back on. So we got rid.
So it's what?
If they put a padlock in there, that means you're not paying for your water bill.
You
That's
just come in
when you
and-
know. That's when you know it's completely locked because they come here.
Oh, I see. So if the hole sees through, then.
Yeah, it's
Cool.
it's shut. Tell Carlos to start breaking it.
Carlos said if you don't think there might be two water lines or two entrances of water to the property.
It can't be. It should be one. They're building a lot of luxury homes over there. Right? Doesn't break it. It's not that loud, is it? Now watch it. Watch it.
How come we bringing the generator out?
To set up the pump. That way, when he breaks it, we could just start pumping it out right away. Boom.
Not that low.
Not that low.
You never know, those Mexicans get drunk and they're like, yeah, just install it. Oh yeah, I've seen them.
I don't know.
It's a conspiracy, Alex.
You know
Hey,
that house,
we'll find out very soon. This one I figure out. Oh, it's anywhere outside.
It's just water.
That's how you like my secondhand smoke. Now you know how I feel.
Right, this is a good pump. Where do you put it on? Is it on?
Yeah.
Sucking any water?
You feel it?
Is it a bucket or anything?
By hook or by crook, no.
What is the manual? Read the manual.
The water has to be submerged up to here before it hits. Yes.
No way.
Yeah.
Because I have one that sucks from the very bottom and sucks the water.
Let's break it open. Once you get all the concrete out, then we can.
Alright, that's it. Yeah, that ain't working too well. We're gonna reset the curve?
Yeah.
Alright. Good job, Alex. A little more chop suey here. How do you know that's it?
Both of them's it.
Yeah.
This might be going to Lucky's, and this one may be going to the shopping center.
You see that main, when we had the sewer break, 2015, we had to install that all the way above ground. Too much seismic, too much ground movement.
Up here?
Yeah, and that's a sewer. It was nasty here.
Yeah, no, that's the shopping center water. Okay, yeah, we gotta shut it off right there.
Okay,
and
put
then-
that thing back. Okay.
So we have to break this lock.
No, we don't break the lock. Alex needs to go talk to the whatchamacallit. And you might need some lube if it's tight. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know when the last time. What you need is crowbar for leverage.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And this.
yeah. You need the crowbar for the leverage.
Wow, that's a big. That goes all the way across.
Yeah, it's a sewer main. We're gonna have to break the lock. We're gonna have to break the lock. Yeah, you gotta analyze it, figure out the quickest way to do it in the quietest way, or the noisiest. You know. Hey man, Wilson, you shouldn't smoke on the job.
Guys come over and pinpoint like
Let me take that
here's
shit.
the that way we're not trying to hear.
You're turning it left, right?
Yeah. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah. Don't say anything now, okay?
It's already set, so all you have to do is turn.
I know. It has leverage, so you didn't need that crowbar thing to
Yeah. I just need Carlos to break it first.
break the seal.
Yeah.
That dude's got natural man strength.
It's farmer strength. He
Yeah.
said he was in Clovis when he was 14 years old picking almonds and grapes and stuff when he was a kid.
Unbelievable. He's a good man. I like him a
And he
lot.
said that the way they used to do it, they put the tarps on the floor and you get the sledgehammer, you know, whack it, and all the nuts fall. Now they got a machine that pulls it
Yeah.
and shakes it.
Yeah, I said it just clamps it
Yeah.
like an elephant would wrap the trunk around in the Serengeti and then shake the tree.
I thought he was. You should be able to dig over there. There's more access on the floor over there. It's all the way open.
Can you kind of disguise it a little better? Do a Boy Scout knot.
There you go. We'll get up.
Wilson, you are good for something other than making bad racial slurs.
It's off?
No, dog. I have the sprinkler wide open.
Huh?
When I turn the water on, it's easy.
Is it? Oh yeah, you see the bubbles?
Yeah. It's just water in the line. If it's an irrigation line.
That keeps coming.
Go.
Let's get the generator out of here. Dude, that is badass, Carlos. Yeah.
Is there a drain somewhere in there?
Yep. But all we gotta do is get it to that. Yeah.
Or we could
Heads
try
up,
washing,
heads up, heads up.
We could try washing some of this off and pushing it this way.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, now we can turn the pump on if you want, yeah. And then I'll you wash and I'll sweep, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's coming.
Porque antes tan solo con eso ya se hubiera llenado. Y si quitamos la pompa y prendemos una por una.
We're gonna fill up the lines again if we open the valves behind the.
Who got creative?
We need to we need to get the
Hose?
go to all the irrigation things and turn them off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one did you guys start at?
It was, so we shut off these over
Those
here.
are off, huh?
Yeah.
I heard the pump drying out, so I unplugged it, and water is not filling back.
Why don't, if we keep taking material out, where are we gonna put it?
I mean, if we have to leave a pile, we got to leave a pile. Home Depot opens in 1 hour, so we can get
If we
tarps.
make a pile here,
No, we can buy a wheelbarrow, and we can go dump it in the back there until
and
we
make a pile way back there.
not there back.
Oh,
Yeah, in the back of the shops. Yeah,
With the tarp on the floor.
yeah. So tarps, and then
I think if we keep taking
Yeah.
material out, let's see what's going
well,
on.
let's figure out what we can turn off and what we can't turn off. How about that?
Yeah, what time is up?
Oh, I'm not worried. These guys, that will hurt. And so we need to get their sewer back online.
Should we go turn back on now?
Yeah. I'll
It
just
was
stay blocking it from the water from coming when you dug it out and then now it's coming. Is that what am I seeing?
I think that's what it is.
Yeah. Hey, can you move the gas to the back? Thanks, Wilson. Yeah. Are we good on this Red Bull? Oh no.
It's mine.
Yeah. Oh, you need a sip?
I need it to keep me awake.
No way. Hey, you know. You think about like 2 or 3 days of saturation. Oh, put it up on that. We're gonna knock it over, yeah. And I don't want dirt to get in it too.
Is it stuck in it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go move it to those other planters. I think we're full.
I complained my whole life to your grandfather and it never did me any good, so she stopped complaining.
Yeah.
It's a water line there, huh?
Yeah.
That's it. PVC repairs. Who's he talking to?
Lobby.
Huh?
Lobby back at Clovis, I think.
Why you need to talk to the lobby at Clovis?
For La Quinta. I
What?
forgot to tell him, we checked out early. Because we grabbed there.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wouldn't want to get charged for an extra day, you know?
That's nice of you. Thank you. You wouldn't. I would be charged. Oh, I already paid.
There's a water line right there.
That's it.
Huh?
Yeah, there's a water line right there.
And is it an irrigation line?
No, it feels like a copper line.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Well, let's
Put your hand in there. Don't be afraid. Come on, Wilson. I know you're not afraid. Wait. Feel it. It's right there.
You know what?
If I start moving, I'm gonna fall asleep. Gotta keep moving. Try to stay busy. You know.
Oh, no.
Yo, we don't have any Allen wrenches.
Oh, dang.
What happened? What happened?
It's shooting at you.
That's fine. My fault for standing there.
You have the salsa? Oh, he's got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Look, you got me right in the face.
This guy.
That's some Three Stooges shit. Watch out, Carlos. I got shot in the face. No. Hey, Wilson, don't stand there. I just got shot in the face with that
I think the
stuff.
battery's dead.
Yeah.
You got another battery?
Yeah. I'll
Good.
grab it.
All right. Go take it back. I don't want a lot of tools out.
Oh, it's coming back up fast.
I think it's all coming from there because he dug out all that earth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it slow down at all since we took it out here?
Oh yeah. Why is it? Oh, it's smoking because it's wet.
It's wet.
Oh,
Yeah.
There you go. Twist it now. There you go.
Ginseng.
Let me see that. Oh, let's move the grinder out of the way so we don't trip on it. Yeah. Sorry about that.
Tell Abby the new season for Gold Rush starts next week,
Okay.
Friday.
Try to face it down a little more, the pump.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, good. That's about, yeah. Dude, you look like a tiger. Look. You look like a tiger in the... All right. Yeah. Cool. Careful on the cord. You're going to trip. Yeah. Good, good.
Do you want to run it back here, or should we run it back on the way?
No. We want to stay out of crossing this way. People are going to start coming.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. But should I put it back in here, or should we try the other one?
No. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Drain that. Yeah. I think that's the 2 months of saturation.
Right, huh?
I don't think the
Yeah,
leak is...
He packed this
Yeah.
whole place with water.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
Because it's coming from there, here, and there.
Yep. Yeah.
So it's the water in the gravel.
Yeah.
¿Cuántas pulgadas de grava cree que es? Y luego abajo esas 12, otras 12 para la otro pico del agua.
Ese que el código del agua son 12. De ahí abajo 12. Si no hay línea no vamos a encontrar. Water line or not?
Where are we at right now? That's a foot only, huh?
But let me ask you this. People 46, gas 32, and water 2.
It all depends.
You want a wheelbarrow?
4 cars, 1 speed shovel,
Yeah.
One spade. Give
1
one.
piece of plywood, 4 feet by 4 feet, so we can cover the whole lot.
4 by
We
4.
need a piece of plywood.
That's what I said.
Oh, sorry, I'm blind and deaf.
I know.
Well, that probably not so loud. We're not yelling at each other.
Alright, Wilson, we left off at 4 by 4 plywood.
What else, Carlos? Well, a 100-foot extension cord. 12 gauge.
200. We can always return it. Only open one. We can return it, or we can use it. You know? Okay.
What else? Didn't you say a pruner? Oh,
Yeah.
a pump.
All right. Yeah. Pump.
Some pump.
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So I don't think we have 8 there. So
No.
should I keep digging until
I'd
maybe
go.
20?
I'd go a little deeper. But I'm gonna turn the water back on for this restaurant so he has water, right?
So what I would do right now, stop the pump right now.
Those
So
are-
when you go to Home Depot, buy another pump.
Okay.
All right.
So catch up.
Can you buy a bigger one?
Yeah.
The biggest, baddest one you can get. All right.
Go with the fork. Somebody, you have to go with me. Somebody, or Alex is gonna.
I need to use the jackhammer, but see how the water is coming out? Yeah, it was like you can put water from here, but now because of
Hi, Randy. This is Leo. I have this lucky center in Pleasanton, California, and on this side we've had a major irrigation leak. You can see that the it's been going on for a while, and the parking lot that was just seal coated last year is cracking all over the place. I'm wondering if you can help us with a bid to smooth all this out and get all the cracks filled and reseal coat this area. Let me know what you think. Thank you, Randy.
I still have half of my drink.
Look, Leo, I emptied it already.
That's it.
They just confirmed the appointment, but not an ETA yet.
That's it.
Make sure it's facing the right way. Oh yeah, that'll work. We'll bend the hose.
Yeah.
How about we just turn it the right way?
Which way you want it?
Stand it up now that it's fitted, and then turn it. Yeah.
Look this way?
I don't know. You tell me.
Alex?
Yeah. Yeah. That way we can direct. We should close it up.
Ready? How are you on your end, Wilson and Carlos? Something's pinched. It should be shooting out. Ajay!
Yes.
Did you ever go to Raging Waters? A place called Raging
Yeah,
Waters?
I love that place. Concord, right?
We go to San Jose one.
Okay, I went to the Concord one. Those are Roma too. 所以这个差不多了。
Man, look, it's so strong. It's 57.
Yeah, exactly. You know? Yeah, I mean, all that.
Yeah, I feel something there. Oh, shit, what is it?
Alright, that one's good right there.
Double barrel, baby. Double barrel.对呀，你很聪明啊。
没办法了。
所以不干净是因为都回来了。I love this pump. What he said was because we weren't check it out. We weren't doing this back enough. It was coming back in there. Look at the crack there.
Oh yeah.
Let him park here. Oh, you're right. No. You want to park here? Come back, wait.
No way. Gotta get you.
Or if it's a leak, a small leak somewhere, and it's just constantly flowing out.